Some facts are so bizarre that they seem impossible. But what if I told you that water can boil and freeze at the same time, or that there's a planet where it rains glass sideways? Stick around because the last fact will change how you see reality. Science has given us incredible discoveries, but some of them sound too weird to be true. Yet they are 100% real, and they will blow your mind. Make sure to watch until the end, because fact number 1 is something you'll never believe until you hear it. Number 10. Water can boil and freeze at the same time. This strange phenomenon is called the triple point, and it happens when temperature and pressure are just right for water to exist in 3 states at once: solid, liquid, and gas. Under these unique conditions, a single container of water can boil and freeze simultaneously. Scientists use vacuum chambers to create this effect, and it's not just water, it can happen to other substances too. This isn't science fiction, it's physics in action. If you ever find yourself in a vacuum environment with the right temperature, you could literally see ice forming while water is evaporating at the same time. Number 9. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. This one sounds completely wrong, but it's actually true. Botanically speaking, a berry is a fruit that comes from a single ovary and has multiple seeds inside. Bananas fit this definition, along with eggplants, cucumbers, and kiwis. Meanwhile, strawberries don't qualify as berries because their seeds are on the outside. In fact, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are not berries at all. They are aggregate fruits, meaning they come from multiple ovaries. So, next time you're eating a banana, just remember, you're eating a berry. And that strawberry, not a berry at all. Number 8. You have more bacteria in your body than human cells. Right now, your body is teeming with trillions of bacteria. In fact, they outnumber your human cells at a ratio of 1.3 to 1. That means, biologically speaking, you're more bacteria than human. Most of these bacteria are harmless or even beneficial, especially the ones living in your gut. They help digest food, produce essential vitamins, and even boost your immune system. Without them, you wouldn't survive. Scientists refer to this bacterial world as the microbiome, and it's so unique that your bacterial fingerprint can be more identifying than your DNA. So, next time you think you're alone, remember, you're carrying an entire ecosystem inside you, working around the clock to keep you alive. Number 7. A day on Venus is longer than a year. Venus is one of the strangest planets in our solar system. It takes a hopping 243 Earth days to rotate once on its axis, but only 225 Earth days to complete an orbit around the Sun. That means a day on Venus is longer than a year. Even weirder, Venus rotates backward compared to most planets. If you were standing there, you'd see the Sun rise in the west and set in the east, the opposite of Earth. Scientists aren't entirely sure why this happens, but one theory suggests a massive collision billions of years ago slowed Venus down and flipped its spin. Whatever the cause, Venus remains a mysterious world with some of the strangest planetary mechanics we've ever observed. Number 6. There's a planet where it rains glass sideways. Think Earth's weather is extreme. Meet HD 189,733 bits, a terrifying alien planet where it rains molten glass sideways at a staggering 5,400 miles per hour, 8,700 kilometers/f. Located 63 light-years away, this blue gas giant has an atmosphere packed with silicate particles. These particles form tiny shards of glass, which, due to the planet's insane winds, are hurled sideways like a deadly sandstorm. The planet's deep blue color might look beautiful from space, but don't be fooled, landing there would be instant death. The scorching temperatures and razor-sharp glass rain would shred anything to pieces in seconds. If there's a definition of hellish weather, HD 189,733 bits is it. Number 5. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. Octopuses are some of the strangest creatures in the ocean, and one of their weirdest features is their 3 hearts and blue blood. 2 of their hearts pump blood to the gills, while the third sends it to the rest of the body. But why is their blood blue? Unlike humans, who rely on iron-based hemoglobin to carry oxygen. Octopuses use copper-based hemocyanin, which turns their blood blue instead of red. This helps them survive in cold, low-oxygen environments. Even more bizarre, octopuses can change color instantly to blend into their surroundings or even become nearly invisible when stressed. With their alien-like biology and incredible camouflage, octopuses remain one of the ocean's greatest mysteries. Number 4. The human body glows in the dark. It sounds unbelievable, but humans are bioluminescent. We naturally glow in the dark. However, this glow is so faint that the human eye can't detect it. In a groundbreaking study, Japanese scientists used ultra-sensitive cameras to photograph this glow and discovered that the human body emits tiny amounts of visible light throughout the day. Interestingly, our glow is at its brightest in the afternoon and fades at night, following our natural metabolic cycles. So why can't we see it? Because our glow is 1,000 times weaker than what the human eye can perceive. If our vision were more sensitive, we'd see ourselves and others shimmering with light all the time, just like fireflies, but much dimmer. Number 3. The sun is white, not yellow. Most of us grow up thinking the sun is yellow, but in reality, it's actually white. The reason we see it as yellow is due to Earth's atmosphere. As sunlight enters our atmosphere, blue and violet wavelengths scatter more than red, orange, and yellow, making the sun appear warmer in color. However, if you were to view the sun from space, it would look pure white because it emits all colors of the visible spectrum equally. Sunlight is actually a combination of every color we can see, which is why it produces white light. So, the golden glow of the sun is just an optical illusion, a trick played by Earth's atmosphere, filtering out certain wavelengths before they reach our eyes. Number 2. Sharks are older than trees. It sounds unbelievable, but sharks are older than trees. These incredible predators have been roaming Earth's oceans for over 400 million years, while the first trees only evolved around 350 million years ago. That means sharks existed 50 million years before forests even appeared. Some ancient shark species, like the goblin shark, have remained nearly unchanged since the time of the dinosaurs. These living fossils prove how perfectly adapted sharks have been for survival. Despite mass extinctions that wiped out countless species, sharks endured, evolving into the diverse predators we see today. So, next time you think of sharks as just ocean hunters, remember, they are prehistoric survivors, older than forests and perhaps even more resilient. Number 1. Time moves slower the faster you go. Einstein's theory of relativity reveals a mind-bending truth. Time slows down for objects moving at speeds close to the speed of light. This phenomenon, called time dilation, means that if an astronaut traveled in a spaceship at nearly light speed for just a few years, decades, or even centuries could pass on Earth before they returned. This isn't just theoretical, it has been experimentally proven. Scientists placed atomic clocks on high-speed airplanes and found that they ticked slightly slower than identical clocks on the ground. This means, in a way, time travel to the future is possible, but only if we can achieve extreme speeds. The faster you move, the slower you age relative to everyone else. Mind-blowing, right? And there you have it, -10 mind-blowing scientific facts that seem too crazy to be real, but are 100% true. From glass rain on alien planets to the hidden glow of the human body, science never ceases to amaze us. Which fact shocked you the most? Was it the blue blood of octopuses, the backward spin of Venus, or the fact that you're more bacteria than human? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. And be sure to check out our next video, where we uncover even more insane science facts that will blow your mind.